Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Hello, what's up? What's up, YouTubers? How's it going? Welcome to my new components going to be upgraded on my computer. So we got a new motherboard because of a new CPU, which I'm replacing for my 4790K i7, which is really old. I believe it's 6th gen. It's really old. But I'm going with the 10th series, well, 10th gen, my bad, 10th gen i7 10700K. I'm so new to this, but this is the ROG Strix Z490E gaming motherboard. So you got a lot of goodies. Got the RGB Aurora sync, a lot of settings and stuff, but that's all the settings, I mean all the heat sinks, my bad, which help ventilate, and you got a lot of other goodies in there, but I'm really not going to get too much into the information about these things. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and then I'll do a separate video. I'm not going to talk too much, but let's get this show on a roll. GPU. So, buy, chuck it, throw it away, recycle it. Keep the planet clean. Foam. Man, I guess I got a letter. Awesome. All your instructions, maybe stickers, cool stuff. Little dragon. Why not? And thank you for purchasing from MSI. Chuck it. But here's what. Let's see. Does it come with anything else? Huh, I'm surprised. I guess not. Just the box. And the big puppy of a mother. Oh, the graphics card, I mean. Whew. Feels hefty. It feels like a good 2 pounds. There we go. Play hard, stay silent. Zero Frozer. Cool little fan. The fans are pretty nifty. But I guess it got RGB lighting below right here. Look at that heatsink setup. Wow. Well, that's pretty good. I like that back plate right there. It's like stainless steel. That's really awesome. I can't wait to set this up. We got the ROG Strix. Yes, it's an Asus. I was right. I wasn't wrong. Yeah, it's just a little darker right there. Asus. Vengo por ti, mijo. You chose right, Pedrito. Check that out. That thing is smaller than I expected. Wait, never mind. I'm sorry. Said too much first. So, comes with a welcome to the Republic. Welcome to the dark side. So, I'm assuming. Ooh, this is the Wi-Fi antenna. So, Wi-Fi 6. Pretty cool. Dual band moving antenna. Awesome. A lot of awesome features for that. It's inside of the actual computer. Oh, wait. There's more. Books. CD. I don't even have a CD drive. Oh well. We have anything? Oh my god, there's more things. We got a mini fan. I don't know what that's for. Zip ties so you can clean your cables on your car. Then little mounting screws. Woo! Got a keychain. That's awesome. And what is this? This is single-sided M2 SSDs. So I'm assuming that's for the solid-state drives. More screws. And how many of these? 4 SATA cables. And this, I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe for the fans, the connector. And this, I really don't know what it is. Looks like a connector that just connects together. And then infrared, that's what it's called, I think. But yeah, looks like that's pretty much it for this box. Box is over there. Well, here we go. Here's the main event. Nothing else in that box. Woo. Here we go. Woo. There's that big boy. Black on black motherboard. That's beautiful. Join the Republic. Seems pretty easy to just be able to take off these pins and stuff and start putting the CPU. But I'll start with the CPU now, since I'm right here. Do a quick open of this. Here we go. And it's a pretty simple little guy right here. Not really much to it. Box is over there. Little sticker. And information guide, warranty, you know the rest. So that's pretty much it. It's almost like Home Alone when they were fighting for that little CPU drive or whatever it was. There it is. It's that little guy. This little puppy is the main brains of this hardcore gang. So there's that. Now let's unbox my basic CPU fan. Instructions. Save those for later. Got a fan. Awesome. So my fan, I guess, is colored from the fan, actual fan. I was kind of hoping it was on the outsides, but still cool. And a lot of foam to sleep on. And that's it. Here we go. It says warning, remove before installation. Obviously, do not install this without not removing that, because then you'll have a hard time. But depending on which model you get, it'll be totally different. But that's gonna be it. It's gonna be the big boy right here covering that. So I'm sure these are like all the tools I need for quite fast. So keep up, peoples. Are the 4 sticks of RAM. Beautiful lighting. Here I come. Las Vegas has nothing on me. There we go. Let's get it. Ooh, these beauties. You know what I'm really scared of? That my heatsink might not give me enough space for my 4 RAMs. That's what I'm afraid of. Let's check it out, because the fan goes on this side. So this fan connects to this. Ooh, that's a close fit. Eesh. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Yay. I can't even open it. I just want to show you guys this so bad. That sticker's coming off. Bye. That's it. Can't believe a hard drive that had a disk is now paperweight. But there we go. That's pretty much it. That's my little setup. I can't wait to bring this to life. Take plenty of hours figuring out everything, because all the components have changed. Everything is new. It's so different to me. But here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I know it was a lot of quick stuff, not too much information, but this is all new to me, so it's a lot of new information that I need to learn first before I actually do most of it. But this setup really looks amazing. I can already tell. It's going to be a blacked out motherboard with a blacked out everything. I kind of wish it was white, but that's just me. I'm a little picky. But here goes nothing. Hopefully soon y'all get to see another video of this. Thanks for watching.